Let's take a look at Beaver Achiever, Sequencing in Simple Loops, Challenge 22. The key to these challenges is to take them one chunk at a time. What does the beaver need to do first? In this case, it's move. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to get a repeat. I'm going to make sure I change it to number 5. A lot of people forget that and keep adding blocks to the bottom. And I'm going to put in my move. And I'm going to run it, which seems silly, like, oh, it's such a simple thing. But it's so easy to accidentally have an error. Plus, now the beaver's right here, so I can ask myself, what does the beaver do now? Well, the beaver's going to drop 1. That doesn't need a loop. Then the beaver's going to move over 1. And then we're going to need that loop. So I'm going to put those in. Drop 1. Then move over 1. I always have to double check my direction because sometimes I grab the wrong one. And my loop for filling this last column needs 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I know that first loop worked. If something didn't work, I would take this off and run that and see if that worked. If it did, great, then I know the problem's here. If it didn't, I would fix something in just 2 blocks. When you're stuck, sometimes removing a block or a few blocks and running half of it helps you check to find out what's going wrong. Because it's usually some small error that you just missed. All right, we're looking good.